Hello friends, Saturday morning, Karl Benson here, Cooks of Crocus Hill. We are in probably week 5 or 6, 4 or 5 of Corona COVID lockdown. So I've been working with my friends over there at the Saturday morning show, Kare 11, about a little cooking thing. So I invited everyone to send me 3 ingredients from their refrigerator, kitchen, pantry, whatever it is. This morning is Belinda. And she sent me the note that had chicken, which is a nice piece of chicken, ginger, and avocado. So I'm not a huge avocado eater, although avocado is good and very healthy for you. But my daughters, college-age girls, they are super avocado eaters. So the other night I said, I'm going to make an avocado thing for Saturday morning. And what do you think I should do? And they said salad or just avocado toast. Well, I didn't really want to do the avocado toast because that's kind of, everybody's done avocado toast. So I kept thinking on it, and before we left the kitchen, the girl said, oh, and while you're making stuff, can you make us a batch of green goddess dressing? Because usually all summer long we have green goddess in the refrigerator. So I started with green goddess dressing, and I'm going to make a crunchy veggie avocado chicken green goddess dressing sandwich. So first, to make the chicken, I took the chicken and I poached it in a little chicken broth with some ginger, some of Belinda's ginger, a little bit of carrots and some onion. Cook it for a few minutes and then let it sit in the hot water until it gets cooked through. Then I took all these green ingredients and I put them in the blender to make some green goddess. So I have, again, a second round of Belinda's ginger, some garlic, some chives, some basil, a whole bunch of tarragon, and flat leaf parsley. You put it in the blender with some mayonnaise and a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of vinegar. This here is a really nice white wine vinegar from downstairs. Whir it all up and you get this beautiful green goddess dressing. So I got all the ingredients here. I'm going to assemble myself a little sandwich. So we're going to start with the bread, which is toasted fresh out of the oven. We're going to put a fair amount of green goddess right on the bread there and let it sort of soak in. I have some wonderful sliced avocado. We have this cool slicer downstairs here at Cooks that slices the avocados perfectly. I'm going to add my chicken, which has now again been poached and it's now back to room temperature. And it falls right in the green goddess dressing, which is okay because I'm going to put another little bit of green goddess on top of that chicken, which is perfect. Then I got some sprouts from the grocery store, which are absolutely perfect and beautiful, lots of sprouts, and since it's crunchy, I got some strips of cucumber, English hothouse cucumber, right on the top there, which is absolutely beautiful. Then, just to complete it all off, a little more green goddess dressing on the bread on the top. And voila, we have ourselves a nice little green goddess crispy sandwich. Green goddess dressing, Belinda, I hope that when you make this recipe, which I'm sure you will, make extra because you're going to want to leave this in the refrigerator because it is perfect on just about everything. As I mentioned, my college girls, Abby and Madge, they probably eat this every single day. So the green goddess dressing is a beauty. The crispy, crunchy, salad-y bread and sandwich. Enjoy. Now that we're sort of in this new millennium of we're all digital, check out our button on the bottom of the screen here. There's a button that says subscribe. And on our website, on the blog, if you push the blog button, it'll bring you to all kinds of recipes, all kinds of videos, all kinds of insights into what happens here at Cooks. So subscribe, check out the blog. See you soon.